Next, let's check out the AI video, which is really exciting and cool. And here you can either do image to video or text to video. Text to video is pretty similar to what we just looked at for AI image, so let's do image to video and see how that looks. Here I'm able to import an image, so I'll click on Import Image, and then I have this file here called AI Generation Reference Image. I'll double click on it to upload, and then I can write a prompt here. I'll type, make a realistic video of the giraffe walking. It should look natural, and he should be walking from left to right. Next, I can choose my model just like before. I'm going to go with Video G3.0. This one does stable motion and high quality and excels in realistic style, which is what I want. Then you have some other options here like motion speed. I'll keep this on normal. Camera control, I'll set this to default. Duration, let's do 10 seconds. And I'll keep the aspect ratio to 16:9. As you can see here, it's going to cost 50 credits for me to generate. And with the Pro plan, I have 1,150 left. So I'll click on Generate. And we'll wait for the AI to generate our video. Now let's take our clip and bring it to the end here. I'll take my playhead and bring it to the spot where I put it. And let's play to preview what it came up with. I think it looks pretty good based on the reference image that I gave it. Right now, my timeline is a little bit weird because we left and closed out of the project. So if I go to the bottom right here, I can actually scroll up to see the rest of my timeline, like my B-roll track and my captions. And then I'll go ahead and zoom into my timeline here. And I'm going to bring this AI media up to where my B-roll is here. So a really cool use case for something like this is like if I didn't take a video of the giraffe, if I look at it here, this video I'm using for B-roll currently, and I only took my reference image that I uploaded earlier, I was able to make a video based on that picture. So if I was at the zoo, I only got a picture of the giraffe, I could turn it into a video while I'm talking about the giraffes. Now, for example here, I could just simply delete clip 10 and then bring my AI media here to replace the B-roll. And I'll go ahead and scale it up a little bit here by dragging up the corners to take up the frame. And then I'll go back here and preview the video. The fact is that they only need between 5 and 30 minutes of sleep a day. To me, that looks pretty natural. I mean, if you're watching the video, it's obviously AI if you're taking a look at it, but in a pinch, if you only have a picture, it works really, really well.